and welcome again to another edition of
What's Up Wednesday.
I think we had a new spot today. Where
We
are we?
are. We're on the corner of Vine and North Monroe Street. So the locksmith is right here. Okay, so sorry, Chris.
That's all right.
The locksmith is over here.
There we go.
And this building here, though, is the building that we're talking about today. This is 11 West Vine. This is the former cat doctor.
Yes.
So cat doctor closed maybe 8 months ago.
Okay.
Okay, and Dr. Kim, who ran the cat doctor, now owns a company called Sweet Life Euthanasia Services. So she does at-home euthanasia services for animals. So that's what her pivot was.
Okay.
We put her building on the market, almost immediately got it under contract.
Wow.
And the buyer just closed just a few weeks ago. So this is
Excellent.
like hot off the press.
All right.
You ready?
I'm ready.
So this is an opportunity for you, if you are a hairstylist, to own your own individual salon suite within this building. So they're converting this entire building into a bunch of individual suites with individual wash bowls and individual shelves for your color and stuff.
Okay.
And you'll be able to actually rent that individual space and not have a boss. And way more affordable than buying a building or leasing a building like this, for sure. So it's pretty cool, and kind of again, like real big cities have this, but it's a new concept for Monroe, and it's exciting. Supposed to be opening up in the next like 6 to 8 months. So
wow, can't wait to
pretty
see how
cool.
that turns out.
Yeah, I'm excited to see the building too, because obviously it was a vet before.
Right.
So
For a
to
different
see what they're going to do with it. It's
Excellent.
pretty cool.
So remember, stay in the know
With Chris and Cole.